Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 students. How are you all? Fine, good. So, how was your day? Good. So, grade 5 students, I welcome you again in our science class. And grade 5 students, yesterday you have started a new lesson, and the lesson name is This flashlight is powered by the touch of your hand. So, it seems very interesting topic, and yesterday you have learned new terminologies from the chapter, and you know that on day 2 we always start and we always do activity, and this activity is called storytelling. Now grade 5 students, I will tell you the story of this chapter, so you have to be very careful and you have to listen me carefully. Okay, so if you are ready, I am going to start our today's activity. So today I will tell you the story, and the story is This flashlight is powered by the touch of your hand, and this story is present on page number 75. And after new terminologies, now it's our storytelling time. So let's start. A high school student has invented an LED device that uses body heat to light up. By Tuan-See Wen, Smithsonic.com, March 24, 2014. Here is a little known fact: the human body at any given moment produces energy equivalent to 100-watt light bulb. In that sense, we are always wasting our energy that can be used to power a light bulb. This line of thinking that led 16-year-old Anne Makosinski to invent the first flashlight powered entirely by body heat. I thought, why not body heat? She told the local newspaper, "We have so much heat radiating out of us and it's being wasted." Makosinski, a high school student from Canada, initially thought of the idea after learning that a friend in the Philippines, who did not have electricity, was failing in school because she did not have electricity at home. Her friend's problem is surprisingly common among a growing number of people in developing regions that don't have access to electricity. Initially, Makosinski was unsure whether heat from a person's hand was enough to fuel a flashlight equipped with an LED bulb. To capture and convert energy, she settled on Peltier tiles, which produce electricity when the temperature differential between the two sides is 5 degrees Celsius. A phenomenon known as the Peltier effect. Peltier effect. The durable material, which has no moving parts and an indefinite lifespan, was built into the flashlight casing to absorb heat from a person's hand along the outside of the flashlight, along with the cool air on the inside of the gadget. The tiles could generate minimum wattage necessary to power a flashlight, 5.7 milliwatts. But she discovered that the voltage output was not enough. To up the voltage, she added a transformer and a circuit to supply what turned out to be the more than enough electricity, 5 volts AC. Once she got the flashlight to turn on, Mako Senseki tested her new invention and found that the light tended to be shine brighter as the outside air got colder. For instance, the flashlight started to work better when the outdoor temperature dropped from 10 to 5 degrees Celsius. But even in warmer environments, the hollowed flashlight sustained a strong beam of light for more than 20 minutes. What's perhaps most impressive is the material. Mako Senseki used to build the product amounted to just $26. If the device is mass manufactured, the total cost is expected to be significantly less. In the spring of last year, Mako Senseki submitted her invention to the 2013 Google Science Fair, where she was awarded the top prize in the age 15-16 category and took home a scholarship. But to commercialize her invention, she will be need to figure out a way to get up to spec with others on the market, which have brightness output ranging from 90 to 1200 lumens. Her version currently maxes out at 24. Still, she is not discouraged. I want to make sure my flashlight is available to those who really need it, she told the newspaper. Wow, grade 5 students, very impressive girl. She is just 15 or 16 years old and her invention is mind-blowing. So I'm sure that grade 5 students, you also like to invent new different things. I know that you are all very creative. We just have to use our brain and we have to focus on learning. So grade 5 students, for me it's very interesting story, and now I'm going to tell you about your home assignment. What is your home assignment? Grade 5 students, you have to tell to your family about this girl, okay, and you have to retell this story to any of your family member, and while you are telling this story to others, you have to request someone to record you. So we want to see that what kind of storyteller you are. Okay, grade 5 students, so inshallah tomorrow we will meet again with another interesting activity of this chapter. This flashlight is powered by the touch of your hand. Allah Hafiz.